3, that's for sure. So I had the Roadie 3, and I wasn't super stoked on its performance. I think I ended up sending it back. So just got the Roadie 4 in the mail. This is the brand new one, just came out. And yeah, let's give it a whirl. Feels good. It's like a rubbery texture there. Looks like a screen protector there. 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. Power. Whoa! Scared me. Tuner. USB-C charger. Feels good. Let's give it a shot. All right, so it is asking me to add an instrument, which is a little bit annoying. I wish maybe there is a way, I'm not sure yet, just to kind of just get into it and tune a guitar. All right, Martin is in there. That's awesome. So I do have it on the tune up mode where it'll, bring it down to pitch and then tune up. That tension, while tuning up helps stability. Yeah, no, that's in tune. I was struggling with that Roadie 3, but this is working. You can calibrate your instrument, delete your instrument, add a capo, standard. Okay, here we go. Standard, open G, open D. That's what I want to try. Okay, so I've got it set to open D now. Let's try that. Hopefully we won't pop a string here. Something's up there. Whoa. It's going up. Oh, right. Okay. So it beeped because it thought that string was in tune and it moved down to F sharp 3. So it thought that I was on another string. So not the device's fault there. I went back to D3. Let's try that. Interesting. let's start from there. All right, let's try that again. There we go. All right, well, I was super impressed with the standard standard tuning. That's probably what I'm going to use it 99% of the time for anyway. So it could have been user error on my end. Now let's try an electric guitar. That was a Martin D28. Adding the Les Paul Jr. Having to add each individual instrument seems a little transparency here. I didn't read the manual, so. Well, the good thing is it said we were out, you know, if we were flat across the board there, so it sounds, you know, sounds like we're in tune still, so. Well, you know, it was, last time I reviewed the Roadie 3, I think I said, like, it's got great potential. It's a really cool unit, easy, you know, especially for beginners and stuff. It didn't seem like it was super, super accurate, but maybe I need to recalibrate it or something, you know, I'm not sure. So I don't want to talk badly about it or anything. I was one of the early donors when they were trying to raise money for this Roadie 4, so I can't return it. Although, honestly, I probably would. If I bought it on Amazon or something, just because it's not super accurate. And I've been playing a while, so I don't need a, you know, I don't need it. I just thought it was a really cool idea. But I'll be keeping this one. And yeah, I'll try to recalibrate it, maybe see if that helps. If y'all get one, let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all.